Welcome to this comprehensive overview of Indodax, Indonesia's largest and most popular cryptocurrency exchange platform. In this video, we'll explore all the features and tools that make Indodax a go-to choice for both beginners and experienced crypto enthusiasts. Upon entering the Indodax website, the homepage immediately highlights the platform's user-friendly interface, showcasing live market prices for major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others. At the top, you'll find quick access to registration, login, and trading tabs. Creating an account is straightforward and requires basic information along with email verification. Once registered, users gain access to the trading dashboard, which offers intuitive tools for buying, selling, and analyzing cryptocurrency trends. The platform provides a variety of trading options, including spot trading and instant purchase, catering to users with different levels of expertise. One of Indodax's standout features is its support for Indonesian rupiah, IDR, making it easier for local users to deposit and withdraw funds directly to their bank accounts. Additionally, Indodax offers advanced security features like two-factor authentication, ensuring that your funds are protected. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Indodax also provides educational resources and a responsive customer support team to assist users with any inquiries. The Academy section is an excellent place for beginners to learn about blockchain and cryptocurrency basics, ensuring everyone can trade confidently. Finally, check out the promotions and bonuses available for new users by signing up using the link provided in the description. Don't miss out on this opportunity to explore one of the best crypto trading platforms in Indonesia. If you found this guide helpful, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more informative content.